welcome. If you've ever been surprised by a post showing up on your Facebook profile because someone tagged you, you're not alone. The good news is that Facebook now gives you more control over what appears on your page. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to prevent tagged posts from automatically appearing on your profile when using Facebook on a PC. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will drop down. From that list, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand into another set of options. Now, click on Settings to open your main account settings page. Once you're inside Settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll until you find Page and Tagging, then click on it. This section controls how tags and posts interact with your profile. Now, look for the option that says Review Posts that you're tagged in before the post appears on your page. This is the key setting. When this is turned on, you'll be able to approve or reject any tagged post before it becomes visible on your profile. To activate it, simply toggle the switch so that it's enabled. Once you do that, Facebook will start sending you notifications whenever someone tags you, giving you full control over whether that post appears on your page or not. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've added an extra layer of privacy and control to your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching.